Alright, hi, what's good everyone? We're back to my first vlog in 2026. In this vlog, I will be talking in English because I have a test. I mean, it's kind of an interview. Yeah, sorry for my bad English. It is of the form of practice that I want to do as, to get to used to English. And I'm also, this is the first time after like 3 years. I believe the last time I visited Jakarta was back in 2024. So this is 2026. I believe it is 2 years now, and it's good to be here. And right now, it is actually my interview will be tomorrow. Also, I'm really sorry Portugal have to, especially Cristiano Ronaldo, eliminate from World Cup. It is so sad for us as we all love Ronaldo. But today we are going to, my wife's actually wanted to go to National Museum, and let's hope for the best experience. Thank you guys. See you at the MRT, I guess. See you there. Alright, now here we are at the National Museum, and with there they are. So now I am about to explore. Look at her and look at the art. It is quite fascinating though. Alright, first impression I would say there are so many stairs but no access for stroller. You know what I mean, right? Here we go. This is the first room that we saw anything related to, I would say, the first age. And the room gets darker and darker. Here we have, I don't even believe all of this nonsense, I would say. But my wife, though, really likes these types of things right here. Aren't you? I mean, that's what you, all of these types of things. I finally found something interesting. This right here, it is called Mengenal Paras Nusantara. So they scan your face right there. You can stand right there, and then they will scan it. They will put the result, like where you're from. Then they will show your, are you a Balinese or Japanese? You can actually queue here. Don't you want to try? She's afraid that they eventually start your facial. Maybe. Are you having fun, or maybe this is National Museum? Now it is actually a very interesting room that I have found, which is has a multiple of, I don't know how long this Quran. Nothing changed about. Look at the paper. Look at the detail of the paper. It is unlike paper that we found nowadays. The same Quran that we found today is also the same Quran that in the first centuries of Islam. Back to the first centuries in Birmingham, I believe, whether it's Sana manuscript or top copy manuscript. I'm not sure whether one of two. But about this, I'm not sure about it. Yes, it is because we have no proof. We have no actual proof to either the story. We have no change of narration. Most of them are hearsay. You know what I mean? Like folklore type of thing. Even though if there are really exist, but I'm not sure that the figure to be exact like that. Alright guys, so I'll end my museum vlog here, and we'll see you at the, I need to buy some clothes for my interviews. We'll see you there. Bye bye. We finally made it to Kokas, Kota Casablanca, and there is a ridiculous story. My wife left her bag in a taxi. She was freaked out.
You're the one who freaked out.
I just act as a normal human being, and we almost had nothing because her phone is in there, her wallet is in there, everything is there. Thankfully, the driver actually want to turn around. Yeah, that's a little ridiculous story today. Almost end the entire vlog. Now we are here and having some nasi goreng for lunch. Let's find some clothes for tomorrow's interview. Alright, it is finally, we're back after a very rough day today, traveling with kids, of course. So much fun, and sorry for the less amount of footage. Like I said before, this is the practice for me for tomorrow's interview. So hopefully I get good result. That is all guys. Thank you for